PRS Reviews back with you guys, and I want to talk about some free open source apps that are very useful for editors or YouTubers. We're going to be talking about editors, some stream recording software, and some 3D model creation software. First one I want to talk about is VLC
Video player. Plays a lot of video.
This can play a lot more video files than Windows Media Player can, and it also plays a lot more file formats. This can play MKV files, which is very useful if you're an OBS recorder. So if you're doing multiple tracks in OBS, it can select through the tracks so you can play them to make sure that your audio turned out great and to make sure your video looks good. VLC is very important. Next one on our list here is GIMP. It's kind of like Photoshop. You can manipulate images in different layers, and you also can color key out some different colors. So if you want to get rid of a background or something like that, this program can do that. It can make animated files in GIF format, and it is also great for people who are on YouTube trying to make thumbnails. GIMP is one that you can use for free, and you'll be able to make the thumbnails that you want for your video.
That's called GIMP, man. GIMP.
So now that you're to the point where you recorded your video, the audio's good, the quality of it looks pretty good, now it's time to do some editing. Shotcut's one of them that's very great to use. It can do multiple layer videos. So say you have a video that you want to lay on top of another video. So if you want to overlay of something playing on your main video, this program can do it. Also, what's good about Shotcut is it can do multiple audio tracks. If you're editing a video and you have OBS or whatever you're using to record this, you have multiple audio tracks, you've got to have an editor that can open all the multiple audio tracks. If you have an editor that can only do one audio track, that's not going to help you out for editing your video. So Shotcut is one that's very good with that. It has many main effects that you can do. It also has keyframing, so if you have different effects you want to do, you can do it by keyframes. There's other ones out there like DaVinci Resolve. I tried using that before, but that one all depends on how good your GPU is. If you have an old graphics card that's like a 1050 Ti, it's not going to work for you. So Shotcut works with multiple different video cards. It's not so demanding that you can't use it. Now that you got your video edited out how you like it, everything looks good. Man, this file is huge. Well, this is where Handbrake comes in. You can either change the format of the file. If it's MKV still and you want it to go to an MP4, Handbrake can do that for you. It also is great for shrinking the file size. So if it's just a humongous file and it's going to take you all day to upload this to YouTube or Twitch or wherever you're going to go with it, Handbrake will shorten the size of the file and also not hurt the quality. That's another great thing about Handbrake. If you want the file to be very, very small, that's where the quality starts coming down. But other than that, Handbrake is great for just getting that file size down some.
So go try it out, Handbrake. You know, it's cool.
Now, you all heard me talking about OBS. Well, here it is. OBS Studio is open broadcaster software. It can record videos. It can also stream to major platforms. So this one's an also free one. So if you've not heard of OBS before, very popular program to be able to stream and record your videos. It does have a learning curve, but once you learn it, you can see the power that it has. It has a lot of different features that you can do that you just won't get with just a regular commercial program.
OBS rules.
This next one is for people that want to have 3D models, do anything with 3D that they want to put on their videos or whatever they're going to do. It's also a great engine. It's so powerful that it can create its own games. I've seen it before online. This program is not the easiest to learn, but there is a lot of tutorials online if you want to learn Blender and make some 3D models. Maybe you can make some 3D transitions with it. It's not a main thing that you'd have to use, but just to add that more over the top type of thing. Maybe you want to put some special effects in 3D on your video. So these programs are just kind of useful for any editor or YouTuber out there that wants to just try to get their videos a little better.
You got VLC, GIMP, Shotcut, Handbrake, OBS, and Blender. I mean, those are pretty good programs. I want to check them out.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like it, and if you want to see more in the future like this, please subscribe. Thanks.